Next, question 3 of exercise 9.1, chapter 9. A contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Meaning for children below 5 ईयर, उसके लिए उसको स्लाइडर बनाना है एंड स्लाइडर का जो टॉप है, मीनिंग दिस पॉइंट इज बी एंड ए इज द टॉप ऑफ द स्लाइडर एंड इट्स हाइट इज 1.5 मीटर and this slider makes an angle of, this is the sliding part of the slider and this angle is given to us 30 degree. So this is length of slide, this is height of slide and this is length of slide. Whereas for elder children, and she is also making a slider for elder children also. For elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of, now the height is 3 meter. And inclined at an angle of 60 degree and this slider makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So this is the length of slide and this is height of slide. What should be the length of slide in each case? Meaning for both of the sliders we have to find the length of sliding part. So in first triangle we have to find AC and in second part we have to find DE. Again we can see that perpendicular is given and we have to find hypotenuse in both of the triangles. So in case 1, in triangle ABC, AB by AC is equal to sine 30 degree and this is 1.5 by AC sine 30 is 1 by 2. So therefore AC is equal to 1.5 into 2 and AC will be 3 meter. So length of slide in case 1 is 3 meter. Now in triangle DEF, the point C was common, so I have changed it by E. DE by DF is equal to sine 60 degree. 3 by DF is equal to under root 3 by 2. So therefore DF is equal to 6 by root 3 and we can rationalize it. So it will be 6 root 3 by 3 is equal to 2 root 3. So therefore length of slide in each case will be 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. This is tower and this one is ground. So AB is the height of the tower and C is a point on the ground. And from this point, the angle of elevation is given to us and this angle of elevation is of 30 degree. and the point is 30 meter away. B is the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower, the distance of the point is 30 meter. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. And height of tower is AB. So in this triangle, base is given, angle is given, and we have to find perpendicular. So in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tangent 30. So AB, BC is 30 and tangent 30 is 1 by root 3. So AB will be 30 by root 3. Rationalizing it, we will get AB 30 root 3 by 3 and we will get AB is equal to 10 root 3. So therefore height of tower is 10 root 3 meter. Simple question. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no stack in the string. No stack in the string means the string is tightly tied, meaning there is no other extra string between that, meaning वो ढीली नहीं है, बिल्कुल सीधी. Now this is the ground and let the kite is flying at the height this one. So AB is the height of the kite and AC is the length of the string and इस string AC को point C पर ground के साथ हमने tie कर दिया and now the angle between the string and the ground is of 60 degree. And height of kite is given to us 60 meter and we have to find AC. So it means in right angle triangle ABC perpendicular is given and we have to find hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, AB by AC is equal to, AC is, you can mention in figure, length of string. Otherwise you have to write all these terms separately. And AB is height of kite. So AB by AC will be sine 60 degree. AB is 60, AC is not given and sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. So therefore AC will be 120 by root 3. Again we will rationalize it and we will get AC is equal to 40 root 3 meter. So therefore hence length of string is 40 root 3 meter. Question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Now height of building is also given and height of boy is also given. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So let us draw the figure. First of all, A, B. This is the height of building. And this height is given to us 30 meter. Total height. And in this question, height of boy is also given. C, D. This is height of boy, and it is 1.5 meter. Now, the angle of elevation from his eye. Now, eye is at this point because height of boy is given in this question. If the height is not given, then we can take the point on the ground. But height of boy is given. So, angle will start from this point. So, this is the line of the side. And we can draw a line EF. So this is horizontal line and this is line of sight. And angle between line of sight and horizontal line is 30 degree. Now, in next case it is given that when the boy moves towards the building, meaning abhi boy यहाँ पर है and he is moving towards the building. Suppose this is the position of the boy now. Now the boy नाउ अब क्या हुआ कि लाइन ऑफ साइट होगी ये अगेन ही इज वॉचिंग द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग एंड दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड एंगल इज गिवन. देखो जैसे वो बिल्डिंग के नियर जाएगा एंगल विल इंक्रीज एंड व्हेन ही या वी गो फार अवे फ्रॉम अ गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट द एंगल डिक्रीजेस. So now the angle is 60 degree and here G point A B C D E F G again describes the height of the boy, and in this question we have to find the distance walked by him towards the building. So according to figure, CF is the distance moved by the boy towards the building. In figure, CF is the distance moved by the boy towards the building. Again you can see there are two right angle triangles in the figure, AEF and AEC. We need this length AE चाहिए हमें but complete AB is given. So in figure AE will be AB minus BE and BE is again equal to the height of the boy 1.5 meter. So AE will be 30 minus 1.5, it will be 28.5 meter. Now in triangle ACE, AE by EC is equal to tangent 30 degree. AE is 28.5 and EC is not given and 1 by root 3. So EC will be 28.5 root 3 meter. Again we can take the second triangle. In triangle AEF, AE by EF is equal to, now the angle is 60 degree. So AE is 28.5 by EF is equal to root 3. So therefore EF will be 28.5 by root 3. EF हमें मालूम है and EC हमें मालूम है. We can find the value of CF by subtracting EF from EC. Here we can rationalize it and it will be 9.5 root 3 meter. So now CF is equal to EF minus, sorry, EC minus EF. And EC is 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3 meter. So it will be 19 root 3 meter. So therefore distance moved by the boy is 19 root 3 meter. Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So here a transmission tower is fixed at the top of a building. So first of all we have to draw the figure. So this is the ground and this is the height of the tower, and now this is the height of building, and now a transmission tower is fixed here. So in figure A, B, this is the height of building, and B to C is height of transmission tower. Now from this point on the ground we are watching. So let this point be the P, and we are watching the bottom and top of transmission. So point B represent the bottom of transmission tower and point C represent the top of the transmission tower. Or you can see point B is also the top of building. Point B has two names, top of building and bottom of transmission tower. So this is line of sight. We are watching the bottom of transmission tower. Now again second line of sight. Here we are watching the top of the transmission tower. So in both of the cases the angle will be different. And this is the smaller angle. So this is of 45 degree and this angle is of 60 degree. Students, it is very compulsory to make the figure correct. If your figure is correct, then you will do the solutions correct and mark the angles carefully. Now again we are having two triangles ABP and APC. Again we can apply T ratios, and here the height of the building is 20 meter. So first of all in figure, in triangle ABP, AB by AP, perpendicular or base, is equal to tangent 45 degree, and AB is 20 by AP and tangent 45 is 1. So therefore AP will be 20 meter. Now we have to take another triangle. In triangle ACP, AC by AP is equal to tangent 60 degree, and AC is not given, but we can split AC in two parts. Suppose AB like AB plus BC, and AP already हम find कर चुके हैं, that is 20 meter, and tangent 60 is under root 3. Again we can put the value of AB here. It will be 20 plus BC is equal to 20 root 3. So BC will be 20 root 3 minus 20. So therefore BC is equal to 20 common under root 3 minus 1. And BC is the height of tower. So therefore height of tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the answer.